pinadaro ka yan.
Ako ba nakalista naman?
Sabi ni Bong, sa sarong pamilya, saro lang.
Right, so the barangay, they're distributing the rice to the poor families. How much is it, Mal? Mal, how much are the deliverance to each family?
5 kilo.
5 kilos lang.
I don't extend, I don't know why.
Have they given us some? Or we've got some as well. Oh, that's unusual. I'm going to steal this one. Oh, right, great. So everywhere's locked down, guys. Basically, you can go into Centro, but there's only a few shops open to go in that says that you need food and this, that and the other. You're limited to the amount of rice you can take out. You can't just take as much rice as you want to do. Shops are closed down, restaurants are closed down. There's no trikes, there's no pajaks, there's no jeepneys, there's no nothing. So why have them bags got the UKIM on for?
Because my uncle is one of the barangay, agawan.
Oh, it's just for him to distribute.
There.
It's not actually for UKIM.
No, for there. The people who live there.
Right.
Because they have 7 barangay here.
Mm-hmm.
So every place, they have a place to distribute.
So
My uncle is his place is there. Over there.
right. So they're taking it to the shop or to the house, then they're weighing it, and then they're giving it out.
It's already weighing already. In the plastic.
Oh,
bag.
it's already in bags.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Just distribute house to house.
Have a look then. You can see, guys, it's never as quiet as what it is now. Let's have a look. Yeah, look, they've already weighed it in bags. So these are going to be given out.
The last night, the burger machine,
Yeah.
they give away bread. Last night, I told you that before, early.
Yeah, what Mel's trying to say is there's a burger place over there that does really well,
Yeah.
but it's shut down, and because it's shut down, they started giving all the bread away.
Yeah, because it's not
They
gonna
put it in a van because they had really a lot of bread, and they come down here and started giving it away to families. You know, my concern, guys, is obviously shops are shutting down, people are being sent home, some people won't even go into town because they're scared, and if there's no businesses open and there's nobody being employed, then there's no money to buy food. So even if they could buy food, they can't buy food.
The good thing is the Bicol region is, free. There's no effect.
There's no coronavirus.
Yeah, here.
So why do you think there's such a lockdown then?
I don't know. You think?
I know you don't know, I'm asking you what you think.
I don't know.
See what I mean, guys? Mel's just, it's not that she just doesn't know, she doesn't care. As long as she can eat and drink and go to sleep, she's fine.
Shut up.
So this is what
Why
we've
you need
got.
to stress about that? There's nothing we can do about that. Why you need to stress?
Here we go.
You stress.
You see, my theory is, guys, right, it's only my theory, so let's not have comments, My theory is this is a smoke and mirrors thing, where they're going to use this for the upcoming financial crash, and they're going to blame it on the coronavirus. Nobody was able to work, and this was closed, that was closed, nobody could earn money, and all the financial systems all over the world crashed because nobody could pay the mortgage, they couldn't pay their credit cards, they couldn't pay this, they couldn't pay that. I believe That is what this is for. And you won't convince me different. I think it's coming.
Here, the barangay. This is the punong barangay. The head. This is the barangay Kagawa.
So next to us is her uncle, you know, the shop next to us, and he's one of the barangay members. He's not the captain, he's a barangay official. And he's managing the distribution of the rice. Did I say distribution then? Yes, I think I did. To make sure that everybody's getting what they need. So how do they know which families these are going to?
They put a list.
There's a list. Oh, is that what they were doing the other day? Going to different families and writing down who was in the family? Oh, right. They did like a mini census of the day. And I was asking what it was for, and Mel said she didn't know.
They just registered the one who did there.
Right. I see. So when I asked about this earlier on, Jubilin says, you're not getting any rice kuya, Chris, because you're a rich foreigner, you don't need it.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's outrageous.
That's what they thought you have lots of money.
Well, yeah, I mean, that's fair enough. We've got like, what, 50 kilos of rice, which I bought the other day. So we could actually give it to somebody more needy, couldn't we, really? Isa, yeah, we'll give it to Isa. Because they need the rice. We don't actually need it. At the moment, we don't need it. But if Mel runs out of rice, she'll go like a crazy person, won't you, Mel? Oh.
I did not cook rice. I just only get my mom. I want rice.
So where does your mum get the rice from?
Centro.
So what if she can't get the rice? They're limited to 10-20 kilos, aren't they? Doesn't matter if you're a sari store, they'll not give you any more, will they?
We buy two, right? And then the other one we give to my mom. And she sell it.
Yeah, she's selling it, and she might end up needing it. It's crazy town.
How many?
Can we get a burger? I'm hungry.
How many pizza roll you get?
3.
We pay that.
No, you pay it.
Why?
Why can't you treat me? Why am I always treating you? You don't treat me.
You're the one paying.
Don't give me that BS. I pay all the time. Where'd you get your money from? Me.
Me?
Yes. What?
Bago naman yung lugod mo.
Mane. What's in this?
Ham, cheese.
Ham cheese. And then pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper?
Bell pepper.
Bell pepper. There's ham, cheese and bell pepper.
Yeah.
And what's on the outside? Is that just
It's a bread.
She's rolled the bread
Yeah,
thin,
and then she
it
put
round.
breadcrumbs.
And how much is it?
It's 10
pesos lang? Is there any libre?
No libre.
No libre.
No libre? That's outrageous. Alright then.
Always wants libre.
Well, why not? I'm a poor foreigner.
You go there.
No, Chuck
Pizza.
doesn't do libre.
Burger.
Oh, burger, yeah.
Go there.
Shall we try libre on the burger? Do you want a burger, Mel? Let's have a look.
Afternoon, Grace.
Hello.
Okay, no
Can
problem.
can you do me a burger and egg?
Yes.
Libre?
Yes.
Really? My God, thank you so much. Yeah, can I have a burger and egg, please? Thank you. See, things are still going on, guys. Well, I wouldn't say normal, but people aren't panicking yet. Yeah. Egg and burger. People are just going about their everyday business, sort of, if you know what I mean. There's no panic. There was panic buying the other day. Now people are staying in the houses and you know, not venturing out. They're obeying the rules, the quarantines. Go and talk to your uncle, ask him some questions, babe, for us. Hey, just ask about
Then
what's
ask,
happening.
Uncle, do you want me to sponsor noodles?
No, just pretend you don't know anything about anything and ask him the questions, yeah?
I don't know what I'm gonna ask. You
Just
do it,
ask
I
him
mean,
how
you're
he's
the- you're the
ask
one
him how
ask.
he's distributing the rice and stuff. Watch that bite.
House to
babe.
house.
Go on.
May buong interview mo daan, Chris. Interview mo na.
Ay, maluya ko mag-English.
I said you will interview it. I can speak English.
Yes, this is Mel's uncle. He's very important in the barangay.
Yeah.
So you're distributing. How do you know what families to give the rice?
231.
And you know already the families you're giving. And this is like, is it 10 kilos? 5 kilos.
5 kilos.
So you give 5 kilos. Will you be giving more if this continues? So is it like once a week?
It depends.
It depends na budget.
Right, okay. So there you go. Oh look, we've got some, can we have some rice? Yeah.
Arog na lang tayo ni ano.
Now can you imagine,
Tatawang ko
can you imagine if,
Can you sponsor because it's just only rice. There's no kind of noodles.
oh there's no
I can
noodles?
eat just only the rice.
Are we going to sponsor noodles? It's up to you. Are we going to sponsor? I'm just saying, Mel,
Yeah.
can you imagine what would happen if people were really hungry and the barangays giving stuff out? They'd be inundated.
Hawring na lang ka mo.
They wouldn't be able to just give to the families they want to. There'd be crowds around them, wouldn't
Yeah.
they? Of hungry people. It would get out of control pretty fast.
Soon by soon.
So they're doing it right. I mean, they're doing a great job. The local barangay.
Foreigner. That's what some people they are looking to us. They're gonna think we're gonna.
Well, this is why I'd be a target if things went down the you know what. So that's it then, babe. That's a video.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
Bye.
May sponsor na si Chris.
Bye. Bye. Bye, Ma. Say bye. No, not hello. We're going now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive.